Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, honey.
You are up early.
Yes, big day today.
Oh, what is happening?
Just lots of work.
Coffee is ready.
Smells really good.
Here is your cup.
Thanks, you were sweet.
Do you want toast?
No time for toast.
Why the rush?
Meeting at 8.
Okay, drive safely.
Wait, one question.
What is it?
Any plans tonight?
Tonight? Let me think.
Will you be home?
I have yoga class.
Oh, right, yoga.
I will be late.
That is fine.
Why do you ask?
No reason, just asking.
See you tonight.
Have a good day.
He thinks I forgot. I did not forget.
Hey, Tom, nice tie. Thanks, Dave. You look happy today. Yes, I am happy. Any special reason? It is my anniversary. Oh, congratulations. How many years? 10 years today. Did you buy a gift? Yes, everything is ready. I ordered red roses. They are her favorite. And I booked dinner. Where are you going? The new Italian place. That place is fancy. Sarah loves the vibe there. It is very romantic. The food is amazing too. Try their grilled steak. Is it good? Yes, and the seafood sounds delicious. I want to try that. Did you tell her? No, it is a surprise. She will love it. It will be perfect. Good luck, my friend.
Hello, can I help? Yes, I need a man's watch. Is it for a gift? Yes, for my husband. What style does he like? Simple and classic, Moby with the blue face. How about this one? Let me see. The design is beautiful. The quality looks great. It is a famous brand. It must be expensive. We have a sale today. The price is very good. Really, that is lucky. I will take it. Do you need gift wrapping? Yes, please wrap it. We have different papers. Do you like gold or blue? He likes the color blue. Please use the blue paper. Sure, no problem. He will be surprised. Just one more balloon. The room looks nice. I need to cook now. Oh no, he is home.
Sarah, I'm back.
Tom, why so early?
No time to explain.
Is something wrong?
No, everything is fine.
You are changing clothes.
Yes, put this on. Please dress up nicely.
My red dress? Why?
We're going out.
But I planned dinner.
Forget about cooking. Just trust me.
Okay, give me 5 minutes. Where are we going?
It is a surprise.
Is it far away?
About 30 minutes away.
That is quite far.
But it is worth it.
Please drive slowly.
Don't worry, I am careful.
You look very handsome.
You look beautiful too.
I like this song.
I played it for you.
Can I guess the place?
Go ahead, try to guess.
Is it the French Bistro?
No, not that one.
Are we going downtown?
Maybe yes, maybe no.
You are being mysterious.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, a little bit. I almost cooked lasagna.
Save that for tomorrow.
Look at the city lights.
They are pretty tonight.
Wait, I know this road.
Do you recognize it?
Are we going to Mario's?
You are very smart.
I knew it. Wow, it is crowded.
I booked a table.
You planned this?
Yes, for weeks.
I thought you forgot.
How could I forget? Happy anniversary, Sarah.
Oh, they are beautiful. Red roses, my favorite. I have a surprise too. Here, open it.
A gift for me?
Yes, go ahead.
A watch. It is the blue one.
Do you like it?
I was looking at this. It is perfect.
Put it on.
Look, it fits well.
It looks handsome.
Thank you, honey.
Thank you for dinner.
We made it.
Made what?
10 years together.
Yes, 10 happy years.
Shall we order food?
Yes, I am hungry.
The menu looks great. What do you want?
I want the steak set.
Good choice. I agree. And some red wine?
Yes, let's celebrate.
To us.
To us forever.